In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Basecamp. Which one is better? If you're opening one of these tools for the first time, or you're simply weighing pros and cons, this walkthrough is designed to help you understand what each platform is really built to do, how they approach common project management problems, and which one might make your team's day-to-day simpler and more effective. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, and its mission is to save both money and time by centralizing work. The big idea it tackles is what it calls work sprawl, the situation where tasks, updates, and context are scattered across multiple places, making it hard to know what's important. ClickUp's answer is to bring goals, tasks, docs, chat, whiteboards, and dashboards into one system, and then layer intelligence over all of it. At the core is ClickUp Brain, a 24/7 intelligent assistant. It can surface context from across your workspace, summarize what matters, and help you manage projects. There's also AI talk-to-text that aims to speed up typing and documentation, so things like meeting notes, task descriptions, and updates take less time to capture. What makes this approach compelling is how it extends to teams with specialized AI agents. Project management agents help track deliverables and keep schedules honest. Marketing agents can draft copy to get campaigns moving faster. Software agents assist with producing and refining code. Additional agents support operations and employee experience, all with the goal of reducing routine check-ins and closing the gap between strategy and execution. The promise behind this approach is ambitious: substantial ROI, major time savings, and fast payback on the investment. ClickUp cites results like triple-digit ROI, tens of thousands of hours saved, and payback in months, not years. It's also an enterprise-grade platform that emphasizes security, with compliance frameworks like SOC2 and GDPR, and it's widely adopted across industries. If your team is dealing with fragmented tools, heavy cross-functional work, and a need for powerful automation and reporting, the ClickUp model is built to help you standardize processes and move quickly without losing context. What stands out in practice is how flexible it can be. You can create custom views for tasks and projects, track dependencies, and visualize progress in many different ways. That flexibility is great for complex organizations that want one operating system for work. The trade-off to consider is the learning curve that can come with a powerful all-in-one. The best experiences usually come when you define a few simple conventions up front, like how you name projects, which views teams use by default, and where decisions get documented, so the intelligence features have clean, reliable data to work with. Now, let's talk about Basecamp. It takes a different path, a direct, no-nonsense project management system that prioritizes clarity. Instead of trying to be everything, it aims to be the simplest, reliable place to organize work, talk about it, and share files. That philosophy has held steady for more than 2 decades, and the platform's longevity speaks to teams that want less overwhelm, not more. Right after you sign up, you land on a personalized home screen that shows your assignments and upcoming events in a way that's instantly digestible. Each project is a tidy hub with places for tasks, discussions, and files, so you're never guessing where to put something or where to find it. Visual tools like hill charts and progress reports give you quick reality checks. Hill charts, in particular, are useful for understanding whether a project is still figuring things out or whether it's on the downhill stretch toward completion. Communication is centralized with 2 key tools. The Hey menu brings together notifications so you can deal with updates in one place, and pings give you private, direct messages without drifting into personal chat apps. This helps teams keep work conversations where they belong, and it makes it much easier to find decisions later. If you work with clients, Basecamp treats them as partners by giving them a shared space for approvals. Please. deadlines, and feedback. That reduces the back and forth that normally happens across email threads and scattered documents. One of Basecamp's big value propositions is consolidation. For many teams, it can replace chat tools, task managers, and file silos, which can translate to cost savings and a simpler setup. The company behind Basecamp has operated profitably for a long time, with a focus on steady, sustainable growth, and it emphasizes data safety with redundant data centers and around-the-clock support. If your information is scattered and your team is running in circles, Basecamp's opinionated structure can be a welcome reset that keeps everyone aligned without a lot of configuration. So how do you choose? Think about your team's work style and pain points. If you need deep customization, advanced automation, and AI that can assist across departments, ClickUp is built for breadth and speed at scale. It's especially helpful when multiple teams collaborate on complex initiatives, and you want a single source of truth with powerful reporting. If your priority is immediate clarity, predictable routines, and a place where everyone knows exactly where to look, Basecamp's straightforward design shines. It keeps projects tidy, keeps conversations on topic, and keeps clients involved without adding friction. Both platforms aim to eliminate scattered tools, but they come at it from different angles. ClickUp centralizes everything and augments it with intelligence to reduce manual coordination. Basecamp simplifies everything and removes the noise so teams can focus. The right choice depends on whether your team will benefit more from an all-in-one, AI-powered system with granular control, or from a minimal structured hub that trades options for simplicity. Whichever direction you lean, align the tool with how your team already works. Define where tasks live, where decisions are documented, and who owns updates. That consistency is what turns features into real outcomes, whether you're automating workflows in ClickUp or keeping projects tight and transparent in Basecamp. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.